Back in late September, the dollar index had a significant directional change as the market began anticipating eventual end of the Fed's hiking cycle. Now, the dollar index proceeded to lose 11% against the basket of currencies over the next 4 months' time. Now, all the moves within the basket, though, were not the same. The yen rallied over 15%, the euro and the pound rallied 13%, 18% respectively. Now, the Canadian dollar, however, has been a very conspicuous laggard. It's only been up 4.5% from its lows in the same time period. Perhaps part of the reason was that inflation wasn't quite the problem in Canada as it was in the US. It was narrowly better, with an 8.1% peak on the July 20th read of Canadian CPI, down to a current level of 6.3%. Now, perhaps the market's telling us that the Bank of Canada's 25 basis point hike at the January 25th meeting could be their last hike, and it's up to a terminal rate of 4.5% compared to expectations in the US of a 4.75 to 5% terminal rate, this according to the CME FedWatch tool, which also suggests the probability of eases by the end of 2023. Now, the CME Group offers 3 different sized currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro, in order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance. We're going to be using the micro in these examples. If a trader believes the Canadian dollar could fall from here, they could express that by selling the March micro Canadian dollar futures contract at 0.7450 and targeting a move to the October lows of 0.7200. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 0.7590. This trade can make $250 if the target is reached and risks $140 if you're stopped out of your level. If a trader believes the Canadian dollar could rally from here, they could express that by buying the March micro Canadian dollar futures contract at 0.7450 and targeting a move to the September highs of 0.7700. Now, a stop for this trade could be placed below at 0.7330. This trade can make $250 if the target is reached and risks $120 if you're stopped out of your level.